clinical trials, the quality of your data shapes the quality of your decisions. Replior captures endpoints you can trust, without adding extra work for patients or sites. Our focus is simple: keep patients engaged, give teams flexibility, and collect reliable data. This includes Trial Online ePRO, with gamification to engage and motivate patients. Our next-generation Trial Online EDC adapts when protocols change mid-study, without long rebuilds or delays. We also offer virtual visits and e-consent to make participation easier for patients and sites. Replior's digital endpoints capture objective measures automatically, while device provisioning ensures every participant has what they need from day one. When patients can see their progress, it changes their experience. Gamification gives them milestones and recognition, helping to keep them engaged through the last visit. Automated alerts keep patients on schedule. Virtual visits let you address concerns quickly without waiting for the next site appointment. The smart scratch ring records scratch frequency, duration, and intensity, plus sleep, skin temperature, and light exposure. The Replior UV sensor continuously measures UVA and UVB exposure, sending data directly into ePRO. These sensors capture data that patient recall often misses, giving teams reliable, objective data without adding tasks for patients. Dashboards give clear study overviews and tailored reports, while audit trails provide full traceability for compliance. With 20 years of experience, Replior knows how trials run. We've built our solutions to adapt to your needs. Find out how we can support your next study at 𝗲𝗺𝗽𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃.com.